Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl. And today we're going to review one of my newest purchases that I made for Dusty and let you know whether I'm happy with it or not. And this is what it turned out to be. It's a doggy playpen. Now when I read the reviews, it said that they bought it to replace the crate so the dog wouldn't have to be in the crate while they were gone. And they had it inside. And the instructions said this was good for inside or outside. So I dropped the rock. Rock. There you go, thank you. So I spent quite a bit of money on this. And like I said, I read the reviews, I read the instructions on it that they had on Amazon. Nowhere did it say to not leave the dog unattended. Nowhere did it say that it might be impossible to use inside. It did say that you should get it so that it's 10 inches taller than your dog. Hey! It did say you should get 10 inches taller than your dog. So I had to get the tall one. Alright, get the thing here. And it's pretty. It looks nice. Only problem is, you can't put it together inside the house. Not if you have 8-foot ceilings. Because these rods here slide through these connectors and into the ground. Problem is, they're long, and when you try to pull them up, you can't do it in an 8-foot ceiling. They're just too long. So you have to pull this forward and slide it in sideways, which is fine until you get to the last one. How are you going to get that last one in? You can't tilt the whole thing over. And there's no way to anchor it inside. Now on the ground, outside here in the ground, you just push these into the ground and that anchors it. So it's great for outside. And then the gate. Look at this gate. The dog has to jump over this area to get inside. And you can't turn it the other way because these latches go like this. And that's another thing. You have to have 2 hands to open the door. You can't open the door with just 1 hand. You have to use 2 or a foot. So she has to jump over it to get in side of it. Which is no problem for her because she's big. But there's not much room in there once you get in there for her to be in. So she's not going to get much exercise for outside. But it'd been great if it had been inside. I don't know, we're thinking maybe we can get some shorter rods to put in here so that they don't stick up. And possibly put her crate in to help anchor it so she can't knock it over if she's just to jump on it. Because I'm afraid that she's going to get in here and then she's going to get rambunctious and she's going to jump on it and she's going to knock it over. Because it says not to be used with an energetic dog. She's a puppy. A big puppy that is very curious and very energetic. So I don't see this working very well. Hey, quit eating the weeds. So I don't see this working too well. I'm trying to film here. That's because I'm trying to play ball. So hopefully we'll come up with a... Dusty, stop. back. Hopefully I'll come up with a solution for it. And like I said, for a smaller puppy, it worked fine. If you can get it, you know, because the poles will be smaller and you can use them indoors. But there's no way to anchor it for an energetic dog inside. And it's pretty small for an outside playpen for her. She likes to, when she's outside, she wants to explore and she wants to run. Even the short leash I got her on right now is less than what she would like. And we'll get her back on the longer one as soon as those wood is out of the way. So we have made great progress on the trees. We've got it down to this point. So hopefully we can work this out. Like I said, it's well built and sturdy and everything. It's just that the instructions and the reviews are a little different. Instructions say no energetic dog, indoor, outdoor, not to leave them alone, unsupervised. Where the reviews said that they put it up inside the house, they put the dog in it when they left, and it was fine. So it's up to you if you want to go this route or not. Like I said, it's well built. I have no problem with how it's built. It's very strong and steady once it's anchored. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.